Yes. So today we are going to a very important topic which is related to numbers. So एक एक करके हम लोग we will start one by one the topics. Which topic will not be clear to you? You will ask me through using the chat box. So सबसे पहले we are going to start the topic, very important topic, that is factors. 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 Maybe आपको पूरा visible नहीं हो रहा है. So just it is written FACTORS. Factors. Now always remember, beta, factors are the numbers which divides a particular number exactly. ठीक है. Now let me explain it to you very clearly. बेटा exactly का मतलब होता है the numbers which divide a particular number without leaving any remainder. The exactly word का मतलब होता है, for example, suppose मैंने आपको बोला I am giving you a number like 12. कल आपको याद होगा you were writing so many numbers along with 12. ठीक है. आपने देखा था 12, 1 भी 12 को डिवाइड कर सकता है, 2 भी 12 को डिवाइड कर सकता है, 3 भी कर सकता है, 4 भी कर सकता है, क्या 5 कर सकता है? टेल मी, यस और नो? टेल मी, 5 कर सकता है?
No, ma'am.
Can
No,
5 divide? No. Yes, it can divide, beta. It can divide, but not exactly. Yes, absolutely. It can divide, but not exactly. And remember, for factors, it is very important that when you divide, it should be exactly divisible. And the meaning of exactly divisible means without leaving any remainder. Okay, there should not be any remainder left. Okay, so यहाँ से हम 5 को गायब कर देंगे. Now tell me, 6 can divide 12 or not? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
It can divide. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
7, 7,
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
8, 8,
No, ma'am.
9, 9,
Not divide.
10,
No, ma'am.
10,
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
11,
No,
11,
ma'am. No, ma'am.
12, 12.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, correct. Now they are called these are called factors of 12 because these all the numbers which I have written exactly in front of 12, they all can divide 12 exactly. Now what is exactly, beta? The word exactly meaning is that when you divide 12 by any of these number, the remainder will be 0. The remainder will be 0. There will not be any remainder left. That is why they are called factor.
So, ma'am, these things.
As I asked from you all that what are the factors of 6, and you people have written 1, 2, 3, 6. You have written that, ma'am, these are the factors of 6. Very correct. Everybody has given the correct answer. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now I want students to please be alert on chat box. Okay. Now listen, student. Every number has 2 factors for sure. 1 and the number itself. ये 2 नंबर जरूर फैक्टर होते हैं. Now remember, हर चीज का बेटा कुछ ना कुछ एक्सेप्शनल केस होता है. हर चीज का कुछ ना कुछ एक्सेप्शनल केस होता है. यहाँ पर एक्सेप्शनल केस कौन हुआ? 1. रिमेंबर, आप जो भी चीजें पढ़ोगे वो 1 के लिए यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगी? ये वाली जो कंडीशन है वो 1 के लिए सही नहीं है. 1 has only one factor because देखो हर नंबर 1 को डिवाइड कर सकता है ना? whatever number you take, like 12 हो गया, 10 हो गया, 13 हो गया, 15 हो गया, हर नंबर को 1 डिवाइड कर सकता है. लेकिन बेटा 1 के बारे में क्या बोलोगे आप? 1 तो केवल 1 को डिवाइड कर पाएगा. There is no other number which divides 1 except 1. ठीक है, केवल 1. तो remember this definition goes wrong in the condition of 1. So that is why we call it 1 is neither prime nor composite. ये मैं अभी आपको समझाऊंगी और डिटेल में. यह समझिएगा फिर. Yes, it is a different number. 1 is a different.
It's a universal number.
It's a universal number. I'll talk about this. Remember, yes, in this chapter, whatever you are talking about, these all will be natural numbers, beta. All the numbers which you will be taking, it will be starting from all the natural numbers. You will not take any negative number. You will not take any decimal value. You are only talking about the natural values. Why natural? Which you can count, which you can take it the help of counting, and you are knowing all the natural numbers are counting number. So remember, in this chapter, playing with number and all the counting things, what you are dividing, what you are taking the multiple, you are taking the factors, these all numbers will be the counting numbers. ठीक है, ये सारी की सारी जो सीरीज आप इसमें से लोगे, ये all numbers will be from counting series. ठीक है, तो इसमें आप बेटा नेगेटिव नहीं ले सकते, आप इसमें डेसिमल नहीं ले सकते, इसमें आप 0.003 नहीं ले सकते, 1/7 नहीं ले सकते. ठीक है, yes, every number has very limited factors. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि किसी भी नंबर के कितने भी फैक्टर होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं होता बेटा. Every number has very limited factors. Like आपने देखा होगा जब मैंने 5 लिखा था तो 1 और 5 के फैक्टर केवल 2 ही होते हैं. Now 10 का फैक्टर 1, 2, 5, 10 only 4 फैक्टर हो सकते हैं. 12 में ज्यादा नंबर बढ़ गया था, 24 में और ज्यादा हो गया था. But remember, there are numbers which have minimum factors, or you can call it like they have limited factors. ठीक है, इनफाइनाइट फैक्टर नहीं होते बेटा, इनफाइनाइट अनकाउंटेबल फैक्टर्स नहीं होते. फैक्टर्स आर ऑलवेज लिमिटेड. ठीक है, फैक्टर्स आर ऑलवेज लिमिटेड. Whereas जो मैं अभी आपको आगे पढ़ाने वाली हूँ, that is multiples, that is infinite. ठीक है, multiples are infinite. You can find out infinite multiples, but factors are limited. Remember, this is a very important differentiation between factors and multiples. Remember, ठीक है, there is a very important differentiation between these two. Remember, factors are limited and multiples are infinite. Okay, chalo, let's move on to the next topic, multiples. Now always remember beta, as I have already told, that you are talking about all the counting numbers. So remember, multiples are the numbers which you get in the result of product, in the result of product with natural numbers. ठीक है, for example, and you are knowing natural number is not starting by 0, starting from 1 only. So for example, if you are finding the multiples of 5, if you are finding the multiples of 5, it will be like 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4, 5 into 5, so on. This line goes on, goes on and goes on. Because there are infinite numbers. Because there are infinite natural numbers. So this line will continue how much you are writing. Now look at here. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. Now these are all multiples of 5. Because they are the numbers which are coming from 5. ये सारे नंबर कहाँ से आ रहे हैं बेटा? 5 से ही तो आ रहे हैं. So these are multiples of 5. This is first multiple of 5. This is second multiple of 5. This is third multiple of 5. This is fourth multiple of 5. And this is fifth multiple of 5. Like this only. Okay. So students, I gave you a question. Write the multiples of 9 up to 100. So up to 100 you will start from first 9. 9 ones are 9. No need to write it in very detail. 9 into 1, 9 into 2. You can write down the answer directly also. So it is 9. Then 9 twos are 18. So it will give you directly 18. Then 9 threes are 27. So directly you will go to 27. Then 9 fours are 36. So it will be 36 now. Then 9 fives are 45. ठीक है. Then 9 6 are 54. Then 63. Then 72. Then 81. Then 90. Then 99, because 11 times also it will go. Then 12 times also it will go. It will give you 108. But beta, remember, the question is telling it should be up to 100. It should not cross 100. है ना? So ये 108 को हम तुरंत यहाँ से हटा देंगे. And our answer will finish up to here only. Till 99. Finished.
Yes, ma'am.
That every number has two factors for sure. You have written this line, I have told you, and you people have written. But do you think क्या सच में सारे नंबर हैं कि सभी के पास दो से ज्यादा फैक्टर होते हैं, या कुछ ऐसे नंबर हैं जिनके पास दो से कम भी फैक्टर होता है, या क्या ऐसे नंबर होते हैं जिनके पास केवल दो ही फैक्टर होते हैं? So let's explore this topic, and I would request every one of you to please take pencil only now. Now only take pencil in your hand and just keep on writing the factors, which let us do it now on the board. So now we are writing the factors starting from 1. Now 1 is a number which is only dividing by 1. So it is not having more than one factor. It is only having one factor. That is only 1. So I am only writing 1 in front of 1. ठीक है? Now move on to 2. Now 2 is a number which is dividing by 1 also and dividing by 2 also. So it has two factors, that is 1 and 2. Now move on to 3. 3 is also a number which is divided by only two numbers, that is 1 and 3. So that is why it is also having two factors, that is 1 and 3. Now let's move on to the next number, that is 4. 1, 2 and 4. It has three factors because it is divided by 1 also, 2 also and 4 also. So it has three factors, 1, 2 and 4. Now let's move ahead. Number 5. It has also two factors, 1 and 5. So I have written 1 and 5. Now 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6. It has four factors, 1, 2, 3 and 6. So that is why it has four factors. Now 7. 1 and 7. Only two factors. Now let's move on to the next number, that is 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8. Divided by four numbers. It can be divided by four numbers, so that is why it has four factors. Now next number 9. 1, 3 and 9. So it has only three factors, 1, 3 and 9. You cannot see the board below, but I have written here 1, 3 and 9. Okay, so now students, if you must be knowing, I told you that सबसे पहला concept to categorize what are even number, what are odd numbers, even and odd, which you have studied from class 2nd. What are even number, what are odd numbers. So that is why I have not explained it much more about it. Even and odd is a very simple concept. ठीक है? You must be knowing the numbers which comes in the table of 2, or you can also call it the number which is having 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 in their unit place, or also called even number. Rest other are odd numbers. Now look at here. Beta, now you must be knowing, I have also taught this concept to you that every number has at least 2 factors. Now see, 2 factors, 2 factors, 2 factors, 2 factors. Okay, now there are the numbers which have only 2 factors. Okay, only 2 factors. The numbers which have only 2 factors are known as prime numbers. They are known as prime numbers. Remember, आपने पुरानी क्लासेस में इसको पढ़ा होगा. Prime numbers are the numbers which are only dividing by either 1 or the number itself. जो केवल या तो खुद की टेबल में आते हैं और या तो केवल 1 की टेबल में आते हैं. Like 5, 7, 11, 13, 29, 23.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yes, the numbers which have only 2 factors. The numbers which have only 2 factors are known as prime numbers. P-R-I-M-E, prime numbers. Because these notes I will give it to you. Don't worry about it. I have already said that I will give it to you the notes. Okay? Okay. Now let's move on to the next topic. Now the numbers which have only 2 factors, मैंने अभी आपको बताया, they are prime numbers. But the numbers which have more than 2 factors, the numbers which have more than 2 factors, what are they called? Can you tell me? What we call them?
Ma'am,
Composite
number.
Very good.
Composite number.
Numbers are of 2 types. Either prime number, P-R-I-M-E, prime, or composite, C-O-M-P-O, compo, S-I-T-E, composite. Don't write wrong spelling, beta. Huh? C-O-M-P-O, compo, S-I-T-E, composite. Composite number or prime number. Now, you all have written. Now, what is the homework of today, beta? You all have written which are odd in front of these numbers. Now, you have to include which are prime, which are composite number in front of these numbers. ठीक है? इनमें से कौन सा prime है, कौन सा composite है, that you have to write it down in front of these numbers only. ठीक है? And then we will conclude tomorrow that what I want to explain it to you through this. And I will teach you very important thing through this.
Ma'am.
हाँ बेटा?
Ma'am.
हाँ?